what's up, YouTube? How you guys doing today? THR MX Rider 47 here. Danny Boy 47. And I'm really sorry for not making some videos lately. I think I haven't made a video since I don't know, I think it was maybe like a couple months ago. But I'm back. I'm gonna make some more videos, guys, for you guys. In today's video, we are gonna do some daily dash. It's like kind of the new, update for the Mad Skills Motocross 2, and they just made like a daily dash one. Like it's actually pretty cool. You just you just play it, and then you just win some like a THOR, some gears, and then here's the bike, and then there's another gear, the fly gear. And I usually found out that all these gears and this bike colors, they're actually real ones in real life. I did not know that. And also this blue one right here, it's actually real. It's from everybody. It's from it's real life. It's like real gears if you want to buy it, like when you buy it like in real life. Even the bike right here, the yellow one, that's free. And then THOR that I won, won L5. So I'm gonna show you guys what the fastest lines on, if you guys are struggling, and I can help you guys out if you guys want to get more faster on the daily dashes and try to win all these prizes. And let's just look at this video real quick. See the replays. That looks awesome. And then right here, the bumps. I don't know how we got that. Like, it's kind of like he saved it right there. That's actually really pretty good. That's actually really good. Okay. So let's try it again, and let's try to see if I can get a faster time. And then also, I'm gonna do some versus videos for you guys today. So you got a little slow down a little on this one, jump that, and then just get up there. Then I don't know, I'm guessing on the whoops you gotta keep your tire up, so you can get more speed onto the whoops and get a more faster time, and try to get maybe, I think 56. I'm not too sure. I think maybe after this, I think it's 45. 45 maybe. I'm not too sure. I gotta check it out again, and yeah, it's just kind of crazy. Well, it was actually not pretty bad on that whoops right there. Oh, that was nice. Oh, that got me. Okay, let's try it again. There we go. That's what you have to do that on that spot of the track to get more hop into that jump. It's actually really not that bad, actually. It's a really fun track, in my opinion. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah. It's actually gonna be 45 because I seen some faster times. Cause I'm gonna try to get 45 for you guys. But there's the fastest line for you guys to get into first place and get 5 coins. Or I think it's 5 coins. It should be 5 points because it should be a coin because they look like coins. Let's try it again because I don't think I beat my highest score on that one. I don't know what I have to do to get this fast time. It's like kind of confusing. Yeah. That just messed me up right there. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Yeah, that was pretty impressive that he almost got 45 on that one. It's really impressive. Like I'm even trying to find the fastest line actually. But these lines right here, they're not really too bad actually. Not really that difficult. It's actually really a easy track. That was close. Okay, so on that one, and then let me see if I can jump it. Oh yeah, I could, but not too good. Yeah, it was actually not. It was actually not that good right there. It's a little raining outside. Oof. Ooh, that was... Yeah, that's kind of gonna piss you guys off. maybe not all you guys, maybe some of you guys. Okay, let me actually plug in my charger real quick. Go. Okay. All right. Let's continue. That was so close. That was so close. I almost had it. It was actually really close. Oh! I keep crashing. It's not really big. It's not really a big of a deal for me. Okay. So I guess I have to slow down on that one. 2 more tries. Ooh. I literally messed that up. Oh. Oh, that keeps messing me up. Okay. All right, one last try. Because this is my last try, because it won't let me keep on doing it. I gotta get this. There we go. Perfect. Well, I got a better record on that one. I actually improved finally. But not really too fast. It's not really that bad. That it wasn't really that good. So what I did wrong, I didn't lower down in time, because as you can see that when I bent forward, I didn't bend forward that much, or I pushed I went forward and I pushed back late. I did it too late. It was late of a timing. That's why it didn't pick up the bike. That's what happened to me. Yeah, that's why I didn't do it. Okay. And then also on this part of the track, let me see what I did so I can keep it up. Okay, so if you get that little bump on the backwards dinosaur back. I mean dinosaur's dragon's back. There we go. Dragon's back. Get your back wheel perfect on the dragon's back, and you should get a better leaning on that, and a good wheel stand. And on the dragon's back, well, it's backwards. It's a backward driver's back, dragon's back, and it's like a nice wheel stand. And I almost did a scrub after that. I should have did it. But yeah, guys, that's the fastest line on the daily track of this daily of this daily tracks. And I think it should be over about 3 of 3. Okay, so this is the last day. All right, let's get started with the versus challenge. All right, guys, first subscriber is Chris 432. Okay, it's getting too hot. Okay. I don't know what kind of track this is. Oh, okay. I know what this track is. This track is actually pretty fun, not gonna lie. It's actually really fun. Ooh, kept the wheelie up. 28. Not really that good, but okay. All right. I think I remember. Oh, okay. I remember this track. There we go. Ooh, kind of cased it. Yeah, that I kind of messed up on that one. Damn it. Okay. I think I was supposed to keep leaning down to get it perfect. No. I'm actually gonna have to try it. There we go. That was actually pretty better. That was actually really good. Not too bad at all. 27.3. Wait, I think what I did right, I don't know, I kind of pushed the brake a little bit and it helped. I'm gonna see if I don't brake and it still helps me. No, it doesn't. Ooh, that was nice. Ooh, that was nice. Perfect. That was perfect. That was really perfect. Not too bad at all. Not too bad. That was actually really good. Really perfect. Okay. Send him that. What's going on? Okay, there we go. All right. Next subscriber is... He's a really fast guy. This guy right here, he's actually he's pretty good. He's a pretty fast guy. I'm not gonna lie. He's, so, next subscriber is Wade Watson 07. Alright. He actually braked, and I do something different because I remember this track. It's actually really a fun track. Ooh, that back scrub though. Love back scrubs. Ah, I was trying to get that scrub. Whoa. What just happened? I have no idea what happened. That was a really good one right there. Oh my gosh. What just happened, bro? I don't know what happened. I kind of messed up. I went on the other one and what the? Wow. I guess, but yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it. It was pretty good. I'll take it. I'll take it. Not too bad. I'll take it. Pain versus pleasure. Okay, let's get rid of this app. Okay. All right. Let's do. Oh. What happened? Huh. That's weird. Oh, that's why. Okay. Okay, so now today it's a new track today. It's a new track. All right. We'll get on with that later after we're done with verses. Let's get back on there again. Okay. Oh, I'm cracking. All right. All right. Let's go. All right. All right. Let's continue. Wait, wasn't I supposed to? Yeah, I was supposed to do that. So. Oh, I remember that. Okay. I remember this track. I remember. I definitely remember this track. It's actually not pretty bad. Not too bad. There we go. It's actually not pretty bad. Wow. Okay. Okay, we're getting something here. We're getting something. Ooh. Kind of great. Kind of. It was close. It was pretty close. Oh. That was bad. There we go. I was supposed to scrub it. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Wow. Okay. Okay. We're making progress. Making progress here. All right. All right. Alright, next subscriber is Master Moto X1. It's actually pretty not that good. It is home versus away. This track is actually pretty fun. Scrubbed it. Was this the right line? I think it was. Can't remember. Oh, okay, no. Okay. I got it now. I got it. All right. I think I should have told him that. Okay, okay. I'll do it. I'll do it right here after this one. I went on the wrong line, but oh well. It's actually not too bad. There we go. Perfection. Okay, next subscriber is TMHRK739. Oh, he's using the new gear. Pretty nice. Wait, what? He DNF'd. What? He DNF'd. What? What the? Aw, man. He DNF'd. That was not supposed to go. Come on. Oh, well. Alright. Oh, the same track. Ooh, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. That was really good. Alright guys, next subscriber is DUC Itch. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your name right, but if I have it wrong, just leave it down in the comments. I appreciate it. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, okay, it's this track. Slow down here. Just slow down there. Just, I forgot to scrub it. Oh, Got it messed up. Boom. It's actually pretty good. All right. The same. No, the same track. I keep picking the same track. I'm so sorry, guys. My apologies. Just, It was actually my fault. Okay. Send him that. Okay, next subscriber is Kowski 822. Okay. He's actually a pretty good racer. He's a pretty good player. Angel versus Brand. Alright. Here we go. Oh, it's this track. Okay. Perfect. Ooh. That's close. Okay, I got it. Boom, boom, boom. Got the wheel stand. That wheel stand was actually pretty nice. I can't. He unfollowed me. Oh, man. Well, if you want to see my video, man, just follow me back. Sweet versus sour. Oh, okay. I remember this track. Okay, let me do a back scroll for you guys. If I could. Nope. Keep hitting it too bad. Well, I did a back scrub. Oof. That was close. That was really close. Ooh, I almost had it. No, I don't. It wasn't too bad. No. I did it, but not too bad. past myself. Let's do it again. Ooh, that was close. That was really close. Okay. Next subscriber is NSJRJWNX. Sun versus Shade. I think I remember this track. Yep, I know this track. It's actually a fun track, actually. When you get the hang of it. Oh crap. Grabbers. I meant to do that scrub. But I could do it later. There we go. 25.636. It's actually really not that bad, actually. It's actually pretty good. I have the hippos. Okay. Alright, let's do this, the new track. Well, it says new. Let me see if I remember this track, actually. It's not really a new track, it just says new, like, new, they bring in new other tracks from the other side of it. Oh, is that a new line? I gotta figure that one out. Looks like it's a new line, actually. Yeah, it really looks like it's a new line. Jeez, I think I found a new line. Or maybe somebody else knows about it. I'm not too sure about it, though. No. I'm gonna see if that is the fastest line. Let's check it out. Okay, go on this line. It kinda was not, but it was actually a pretty good try, though. Like, it's freaking kinda sucks. I gotta do it safe. Okay. No, let's actually try that new line again. I think I could make something happen. No, I guess not. Crabbers. Okay. Send them that. Alright, next subscriber is 1986. To make it fair. Of course. Got you, buddy. He said bike 8. I love actually bike 8. It's actually a really fun bike to play. No, it's actually a fun bike to use. Alright. Alright, let's do this. I actually didn't remember this track. Oh yeah, it's the same track that I played it on the one. Oh, got it. Oh, no. Don't mess up on the whoops. Don't mess up on the whoops. Okay. That one's actually pretty good. Okay. I think I remember this track. Oh. Okay. I was supposed to actually not try to do the wheelie too much. Okay. Oh, that was awesome. Nice. Alright. Alright, next subscriber is Try Hard S Club. Using my bike 8. Oh, he has another bike, a slower one. Oh, I actually made it. Whoa. Oh, slow down there. Is that one? Nope. Get up there. Oh. Dang. Let's do time versus energy. Oh, this one again. Ooh, there it goes. Ooh. Did I seriously had to jump it all the way? I can't remember, right? I don't know if I had to or not. I think I'm gonna have to try. I think I'm gonna try it again. I think I'm crazy. Okay. Okay, let's try it again. Let's grab that one. Just jump that one. Oof. Yeah, I think you can't. But we can give it a try. Oof. I guess you can't. Okay. Let's go back to my bike. There we go. Alright guys, next subscriber is JJ eliminate. I don't know what that says. I'm sorry. Just write it down in the comments and see if I said it wrong or if I said it right. I hope I did, but it kind of looks like not a good. Okay. Okay, he uses that stop one again. I mean, he does that stop too. Everybody tries to do the stop except me. I don't know what's going on. Ooh, got that scrub finally. Actually, really good. Ooh, MX versus ATV. I love this one. I really love this track. It's really fun. Yeah, this track is actually really fun. I love this track. Oh man, it was actually going pretty good. Oof. Okay. Okay, I think I got an idea. Ah, I thought that was gonna work. Okay. Okay, I already told him. Alright, last subscriber is Mad Max 18. Oh yeah, he's using the same bike as me. I messed up. Come on, you got this, you got this, you got this, boy, you got this. You got this, you got it, you got it, you got it. Oh no. Okay. All right. Create versus destroy. Oh yes, I love this track. This track is really fun. What's annoying is the beginning of the track. That's what I mean. Didn't really do that good. Alright, guys. Let me actually poke everybody in us, because I want them to be in my video. Alright, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I was gonna say we're gonna do a daily dash, but I don't think I have enough time to make that video still. But next video I'll do that daily dash for this week, this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay rocking, stay playing, and stay killing it on that game, guys. Because I see a lot of fast guys on Mad Skills Motocross too. In the top, also my friends, really, really killing it. Really wicked. Really impressive. And then alright, that's actually pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.